When it comes to surveying services, Surveyors Ram Puri is a name that stands out in the industry. With their expertise and experience, they have established themselves as one of the leading surveyors in the market. Whether it is land surveying or construction surveying, they have the knowledge and skills to handle any project with precision and accuracy. One of the key areas where Surveyors Ram Puri excels is in SCON design. Scones are an integral part of any architectural project, and getting their design right is crucial for the overall aesthetic appeal of a building. With their deep understanding of architectural principles and design concepts, the team at Surveyors Ram Puri is able to create SCON designs that not only enhance the beauty of a structure but also serve their functional purpose effectively. The SCON designs created by Surveyors Ram Puri are not just aesthetically pleasing, but they are also practical and functional. They take into consideration factors such as lighting requirements, energy efficiency, and ease of maintenance when designing scones. This ensures that the final design is not only visually appealing but also serves its intended purpose efficiently. One of the reasons why Surveyors Ram Puri has gained a reputation in the industry is their attention to detail. They understand that every project is unique and requires a customized approach. They pay close attention to the specific requirements of each client and tailor their SCON designs accordingly. In conclusion, when it comes to surveying services and SCON design, Surveyors Ram Puri is a name that can be trusted. With their expertise, attention to detail, and commitment to using advanced technology, they are able to deliver high-quality designs that meet the specific needs of each client. Whether it is land surveying or construction surveying, they have the skills and knowledge to handle any project with precision and accuracy. Surveyors Ram Puri is a name that stands out in the field when it comes to surveying services. They have made a name for themselves in the market as one of the top surveyors, thanks to their knowledge and experience. They possess the expertise and abilities necessary to manage any project with accuracy and precision, whether it involves land surveying or construction surveying. SCON design is one of the main areas in which Surveyors Ram Puri specializes. Any architectural project would be incomplete without scones, and a building's entire aesthetic appeal depends greatly on how well they are designed. The team at Surveyors Ram Puri is skilled in developing SCON designs that not only improve a structure's aesthetic appeal but also efficiently fulfill its functional requirements because they have a thorough understanding of architectural principles and design concepts. In addition to being aesthetically attractive, Surveyors Ram Puri's SCON designs are also useful and utilitarian. When designing scones, they take into account things like the need for lighting, energy efficiency, and ease of maintenance. This makes sure that the final design accomplishes its goals effectively while still being aesthetically pleasing. Their commitment to detail is one of the reasons Surveyors Ram Puri has developed a reputation in the field. They are aware that every project is different and needs a special strategy.